Hey, Valerie.
They can hear you now.
Yeah.
They can hear you speaking.
I know that. Thomas, come on. Hi, Wayne.
Dad, smile.
Record for very loud. That's so good. Well, you just stay on the side of the computer for us and we'll put the phone in the place. Hey, Joshua.
Thomas. Okay, you're funky.
That's so good.
I really like this thing.
The camera?
Yeah.
You can see you guys fall out.
Here's no baby fish.
Normally, you're not supposed to tap on aquariums and stuff.
No, because it hurts its ears.
I'm not entirely sure.
Oh, big fish.
Very big fish.
Perfect. It's a beautiful waterfall.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh, they're so huge.
Back.
Hi.
There he is.
I can't see him. Oh, there he is. Toads are in the way.
Oh my goodness.
Get out of the
That scares the crap out of me. Those fishies.
Oh, that fish just moved his mouth.
Yeah.
Holy cow! Ah!
Freaking like 7 feet. It is a waterfall and it is beautiful.
It's a deer. There's a deer right there. A deer, a female deer. Sweet.
Hi, dearie.
Shh. We don't want to scare it.
Hi, dearie.
Oh, sweet. Come on.
Look at that.
Look at all these pretty flowers. And it's very windy. Run away, stroller. I can't help it. I like camcording. That's why I like it so much.